Mystery drones are part of a fake alien invasion cover-up, Ufologist claims, and this is the claims by Dr. Stephen Greer. He's actually an emergency doctor turned ufologist. A major figure on the UFO scene has put forward what he thinks is the real story behind the recent drone crisis. Exactly who or what is responsible for the recent wave of drone sightings over the US and beyond continues to remain something of an enigma, with authorities left struggling to offer a definitive explanation for the phenomenon, and the general public continue to demand answers. The drones, which have been sighted in large numbers in some cases, seem to be able to evade interception and have appeared over air bases and other sensitive facilities worldwide. And now Dr. Stephen Greer, a prominent UFO researcher and founder of the Center for the Study of Extraterrestrial Intelligence, CSETI, has weighed in on what he thinks is going on. Greer has long argued that the U.S. government has been withholding information about UFOs. And speaking to Rob Finterty of Newsmax recently, he suggested that the drone incursions are designed to spark fears of an alien invasion in order to cover up the fact that U.S. weapon manufacturers have been working on clandestine projects involving secretive advanced technologies for decades. He also believes that details of this will come to light within the next month or so. He said, "We have a team of about 6 different black sites that have been running illegal projects related to so-called UAP and UFOs. Coming forward in the next 30 days or so, they will bring forth positive evidence of this and the fact that these programs have been run illegally and outside of constitutional oversight," he said. As things stand, we still don't really know if the drone sightings are even connected to UFO phenomenon. Some argue, for example, that they could be evidence of interference by foreign countries such as Russia or China. If more details about an alleged UFO cover-up actually do come to light within the next 30 days, however, we won't have much longer to wait to find out. This is from The Mirror, UK, on Unexplained Mysteries. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.